guys, this is my house. I thought this is your house. Yeah, it's my house. Very interesting house, man. Tell me. Hey! Look! Oh, man! Hey! Wait, who are those guys? Yeah, who are those guys? Oh, this is our house. Get out of here! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Yes, you pay for that. Come back here. Please get back here. Yes. Ah! Haha, there you are. We've been looking hard on Rabbit. Where's Ross? Oh, don't worry about Ross. He'll be back. Okay. Please don't. This is our home. Oh, this is our home now, boy. Tell me, ha ha ha. Wah ha ha. Oh yeah, what's going on? Oh, hey, Missy, what are you on doing? It's my home and it's my monkeys. Who dare get out? You want to do this? Boom! Ah! Crap! Ah! I got sick. Got somewhere. I got think, man. I got a bitch up. Come on, let's run. Yes, we'll get back up. I who this? The birds are walking. I never those monkeys, huh? For you. Haha. Oh. This bathroom stick god. Oh, crap. Thanks. Thanks, stick god. No problem. I am always handsome and I always so. Really, stick god? Yeah, I'm always with you. Come on, stick god, let's go. Okay.